In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can use Google News to start making money online. And no, you're not going to be required to take other people's content, spin it, and then post it on various websites. This is going to be your original content where you can actually be proud of it. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how to make money with Google News. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so have you ever wondered how people are coming up with so many trending topics, so much stuff to talk about without spending hours and years doing research? Well, the answer is Google Trends, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. We're going to find ideas to create content. We're going to create that content, and we're going to get in front of targeted traffic. We can then take that content and make money with it in a few different ways, and I'm going to show you how to do it. But the first thing that you need to do is search Google Trends like this, and you're going to simply click on news.google.com. And this is basically a news aggregate. So what Google does is it goes out and grabs news stories that are relevant and puts them in one place. If you look on the left-hand side, they actually have different categories: US, world, local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. And so this can actually help guide us in a few different ways. If you have a topic that you want to create content on, you can actually type that right into the search bar. So I'm going to show you a few examples of what people are doing. One thing that you do, you can go to technology and take a look and see what's ranking. As you can see here, this was uploaded 13 hours ago. The 2022 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 Heritage Edition was uploaded 13 hours ago from CNET. So this isn't actually Google News's content. It's CNET's content that has been merged or brought together in one place to make your life a little bit easier. So if we take a look here, I'm going to open up a new site here, and I'm going to jump over to YouTube, and I'm simply going to type in 2022 Ford Mustang Shelby, and we're going to take a look and see what happens. So I'm going to do 2022 Ford, as you can see here, top result. And if we take a look, the #1 result, it has 4.5 thousand views, and it was uploaded 16 hours ago. So that tells you that there are thousands of people that are interested in this information. It's new, it's something that people are searching for. And one of the cool things about this method is that it piggybacks off of other more established and more credible websites. For example, here, The Roadshow, this YouTube channel is a large YouTube channel. If we take a look, CNET is a large website. And so you can piggyback off of other people's content, create your own content, and start getting traffic, leads, sales, and do whatever you want with it. If we scroll through here, you can see there are lots of opportunities. The new Call of Duty, people are searching that and they're looking for it. If we do, once again, we'll do Call of Duty COD Vanguard, and then we could do patch. People are searching this information, and once again, you're going to see there's a lot of trending things. This one's from 2 days ago, 46,000 views. 1 day ago, 65,000 views, and so on. You can see there are thousands of views to be had of channels large and small. And in fact, if you are a brand new channel, this actually might work best for you so that you can ride trending topics and start building a following much faster. So there's a lot of benefits to doing this. So let's go ahead and talk about exactly what we're going to do. And actually, before we do that, let's look at one more example. I like to show this as, as a way of doing riding the trending topic, riding the wave. If we take a look here, all right, so we'll click on this one here. Tyler Pratt is a large YouTuber. If we take a look at his videos, most recently, he's been creating content about the 4th stimulus check, and that's something that people are searching for and they're looking for. If you look at this, very good news, Biden says there will be a 4th stimulus check. And if we look at this video, and I want to make sure that this is mute, if we take a look at this video, in most of his videos, he's not showing his face. He's simply providing information based off of information that he's consumed. So he's not directly, stealing other people's content. He's creating unique content based off of stuff that's already out there. So if we skim through here, all right, so it looks like on this one, he is actually showing his face, but there are a number of them where he's not showing his face at all. He's simply creating content based off of other news articles and news stories. And let's go ahead and talk about that. First thing that you want to do is you want to go out and pick a niche. So your niche is simply your area of focus, the area that you're going to create content. And everything's a niche. If you wanted to, we could do Call of Duty just like this, and you're going to see people are asking questions about Call of Duty Vanguard. And what we could do is we could simply go through and we're going to click on each one of these news articles and quickly review it. Captain America and Indiana Jones, Data Mined, and Call of Duty. That could be something that's interested to people that are interested in Captain America, Indiana Jones, or Call of Duty. So let's jump over to YouTube real quick. We could say Call of Duty, and then we could do something like Captain America. Let's see, I don't see Captain America, just like this. As you can see, people are searching for, and this top result here, 13 hours ago, 7,000 views. And what you're going to do is you're simply going to click on this article. Let's find it one more time, Captain America, Indiana Jones. And you are going to quickly skim through the article, spend some time reading the article, and you are going to provide a summary. You're going to provide an analysis of what you read, and you're going to make some interpretations. You are simply, basically, you're going to react to this article. If you know anything about YouTube, reaction videos are huge. You're simply going to read this article and provide your thoughts and opinion. When you do it this way, you are build a following because you're taking what's already trending and what's popular. We can take a look and see how many views this web page has gotten alone, and you can use this as an inspiration for content. Now, again, this works out really well if you're a brand new channel, so that you can ride trending topics, ride the wave, and you can do this with any niche. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you how many views that this channel, I'm going to show you how many views this web page has gotten. Let's see, it was uploaded November 11th, so 2 days ago. And what we're going to do is we're going to log into Ahrefs. This is going to give us a rough idea of how much traffic this web page has gotten within the last few days. So while that works, you're simply just going to read this article. This is a relatively short article, and you're going to create content where you are talking about the article. You're going to provide your thoughts and opinions. You're not just going to read the article out loud on YouTube. You are going to say, hey, check out this brand new content where some people are seeing that they found Captain America in the new Call of Duty Vanguard, and you're going to talk about what that means, where to find it, and how you can uncover it too. So if we go over here, it says that this web page has traffic, 65 traffic. This number is probably really, really undervalued or under. This number is really low, and I would expect it to be much higher, simply because Polygon's a large website. But you can see you can use this as an opportunity to springboard your YouTube channel. Let's say that you wanted to talk about affiliate marketing. What you could do is go back over to Google News and type in affiliate marketing, just like that. And then you can see people are creating content, 8 things that we should know before starting affiliate marketing from 10 days ago. You can simply go through here in any niche. We could do dog training. You simply just want to pick a niche and find content and create content around that niche. You can do something like the stimulus check, as I mentioned before. Stimulus check. For stimulus check, there is a brand new, just uploaded 7 hours ago. You create content about the stimulus check, you upload it to your YouTube channel, and you title it stimulus check or for stimulus check, and people are going to come because it's a trending topic. It's important to a lot of people. You can do it with just about anything. If you have no direction, you have no idea where to go, you can click on the categories on the left hand side, and then you could enter into 1 or 2 of them. For example, we could do content on jobs. If you want to help people with jobs or personal finance, that could be a good opportunity. One cool thing you could do is cryptocurrency. So I'm just going to type in cryptocurrency like this, and we can simply go through and create content about trending topics in cryptocurrency. Now, there's a few ways that you can monetize this type of information. If you're creating content about cryptocurrency, you could be an affiliate for Coinbase and refer people to Coinbase so that they can buy, sell, trade crypto. You could also make money with the YouTube Partner Program. With the YouTube Partner Program, once you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you are going to be eligible to apply for the YouTube Partner Program, and you'll make money anytime someone either clicks on an ad or they view one of those shorter ads, and you can make money that way. So if we just look through here, if we take a look at this top one here, these 14 and 9-year-old siblings earn $160,000 in 7 months mining cryptocurrency. If we take a look, we could say 14-year-old and cryptocurrency. Let's see, CRY crypto. All right, so we did that, and look at this top result here, crypto news. They only have 4,000 subscribers, but they have 8.6 thousand views. This is exactly what they're doing. They're going out finding trending topics, trending information, and they're just using Google News to create the content. They have found the niche that they're interested in. In this case, it's going to be crypto, but it can work for anything. If you're interested in sports, this works really well as well, because let's go back over here and we could do something like sports, and we can talk about relevant things that people are interested in. So if we go to NFL, this is already defaulted to my favorite team. And so we could do NFL finds Bears DE. So if we go here, we could say NFL finds Bears DE, just like this. And as you can see, they're talking about it. Thousands of people are talking about it. Look at this third one here. 78,000 views, 969 subscribers. So less than 1,000 subscribers, but they have almost 100,000 views. If you're looking for a way to get into YouTube and you think everything's too competitive and too saturated, take a look at this third one. They are ranked third behind a YouTube channel with 1.1 million subscribers. MK gained 155,000 subscribers, and you could do this too. If you wanted to start one of those reaction celebrity gossip channels, go down to entertainment, and then you could go to celebrities like this, and then this gives you a wealth of information. You can talk about Kendall Jenner, Britney Spears, Paris Hilton. These are all things that people are searching for, and Google has made it much easier for you to create content. You simply click on this, you skim through, read, get an overall idea of what the article is about, and you create content about the article. Again, we could type in Kendall Jenner secret wedding, or Kendall Jenner wedding, or Britney Spears emancipation. Let's do that. We could do Britney Spears like this, hit the space bar, and we could see conservatorship, because that's what that article is about. Conservatorship explained. Hit enter there. You can see people are creating content. Once again, this video, third video by Entertainment Tonight, from 18 hours ago, 56,000 views. This would be your opportunity to enter into the market if you are trying to, find your footing, and this works for anything. Top result here from 8 hours ago, 15,000 views, 8.2 thousand views, lots of opportunity. But you can see this works because people are looking for this type of information. Meghan Markle, Oprah Winfrey, you simply create the content and people are going to come running. And there's a number of ways, as I mentioned, to monetize it. Monetize with the YouTube Partner Program. Depending on the content that you're creating, you can monetize it with affiliate marketing. For example, if we go to sports here, you could be an affiliate for, if we look at the NFL, you could be an affiliate for the NFL shop. You could be an affiliate for Dick's Sporting Goods. You could be an affiliate for Amazon and put affiliate links in the description of your videos. For example, with this Chicago Bears content, you could put affiliate links to a Justin Fields jersey or a Bears hat or whatever it may be. And people that are interested, Bears fans that are interested in reading this, can click on the link and it'll take them over to Dick's Sporting Goods, where they have the official apparel or NFL shop, and you can make money in a number of ways. As you can see, this is a really good opportunity. And the reason why I like this opportunity is you don't have to actually come up with new ideas. As a content creator, you may often struggle with coming up with ideas consistently. You can just hop on over to Google News and it's going to come up with new opportunities for you frequently. As you can see, this video was just, or this content was just uploaded an hour ago. The one before that, 18 hours ago. And you can see there's tons of opportunity, and it actually makes the process much easier. Now that you know how to make money online with Google News, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbold.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.